Hey there! What if I told you that you could be getting free clicks every day just for adding a little copy-paste code in your web pages? And what if I told you that you can double and even triple your income on complete autopilot by just using my system? And what if you could make up to $10,000 per month just like me without actually having to do anything more than paste my little code in your web pages and follow my method? I mean, it's much easier to make money online when you have a decent daily traffic flow. Would you agree? Of course you do. Now, do not be shocked. You know it's true. Not only you'll be getting more free clicks every day to your promotional offers, but you'll also make money each time you use it. You can trust and feel secure that you will finally see results with Clixit. The Clixit profit system is the ultimate solution that will make you passive income on complete autopilot. When you get Clixit today, you will get access to all the training you need and the copy-paste system making this completely automated for you. That's right. No need for previous skills. No need for a marketing network. No need to spend long hours to make profits. It's easy and you can start making profits just like me by simply using my Clixit profit system as soon as today. And all you need to do to get started is go below this video right now. And I'll see you on the inside. Hi there, it's Michel. I just wanted to show you in action what my system does. So whether it be a lead capturing page that you're doing or a bridge page or a sales page, it doesn't matter. My system works. Now, before I start, you'll notice that my ad pop-up blocker is on. This is very important for you to understand that my system bypasses any ad blockers. It's mobile friendly, and this will allow you to generate a lot more clicks. So first, I'm going to show you with the lead capturing page, and then I'm going to show you with a basic bridge page. So when I opt in my email list and I click my Let Me In button, what's going to happen is that when I'm going to opt in, there will be a redirection in this page, plus a new page that will appear in the browser. So as you can see, I was redirected to this page. You've probably seen some face and to this page. So after watching this page, the user is going to click close or buy, whatever, and then they're going to be seeing the second page. So as I was saying, you'll notice that my ad blocker did not stop it from happening. And if I were to be on a mobile device, the same thing would happen. Two pages would open. Needless to tell you that this method is going to allow you to generate a lot more clicks, whether it be from an opt-in or whether it be from a bridge page or a sales page or a bonus page or a download page. When people click, it opens multiple pages. Now let me show you just how easy it is to install. It's only a code that you're going to add in the footer of any web page that you have. And all you're going to need to do is insert an ID, which I'm going to show you in the training, and you add the links you want it to redirect. So whether it be rotators or affiliate offers or CPA offers or whatever you're into, you could add as many links as you want, but obviously you don't want to exceed it, so I always put 2 links myself. I never exceed 2 links. But I'll show you in the training exactly how this is done, but once you have your code and your 2 links, just look how easy this is. I just need to grab my script and go put it in the footer right here. Now mine's already there and I'm using OptimizePress, but this works on any web page editor. Basically, it works anywhere you can add an HTML code. And that HTML code, you just need to add it in the footer of your page. So whether you're using an HTML editor for making web pages, whether you're using ClickFunnels, Drupal, or WordPress, or whatever, it doesn't matter, as long as you can paste an HTML code in the footer of your web pages. It will work. So as you can see, you can double your clicks from lead capturing pages, from bridge pages, from sales pages, from download pages, from bonus pages, whatever type of web pages you want, even blog articles. So obviously, if you're into traffic selling, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, click banking, product creation, content creator, this little system and the training I provide will not only give you double the clicks, but I'll also show you how to make money with this system. And all you need to do is go below this video and get instant access. And I'll see you on the inside.
Link is given in description below. Grab this product now, before its price increases.